Hi dear, so today we are going to make an easy beehive drawing. Okay, so for that just take your paper, keep it in portrait mode and start making some flat curves, gradually making it lengthy. Okay, one by one, just increase the length of each curve. So one, two, three, and after a line, like after fourth line, you may slowly make it short as well. This here I forgot to do that, but I will be correcting. Okay, the last line you can make it even smaller actually. Okay, no need to make this bigger. Okay, I will be correcting later. Okay, so you can do like this. You can draw 4 or 5 or 6 number of lines, and the last one should be smaller actually. Okay, so I'm connecting another curve on the top, then again connecting another curve here. So all the through the edges will be making curves, curves, curves like this. On the top, let's add 2 vertical lines and a box, rectangle box like this, just to show like a chimney. It's a beehive, it's a bee's house. Okay, so we are not making it too realistic, we are simply making a cute picture. So we have added a heart. Then for the door, we will add a small door. You can make it in any shape you like. And some detailings I'm adding. You can do anything. Have added 2 bushes on either side as well. Both side have added bushes. So the bees home is ready. Now we'll add 2 3 bees as well. You can add as many as you want. Okay, so how to draw bees is like make a circle for the head, a water drop kind of, or a leaf shape for the body, and then 2 tiny wings. Then the detailings can be done like 2 lines and then the antennas. Okay, so this much is what you have to do. Now you can just add eyes and a beak or anything, sting and all. Okay, so how many bees you want, you can add that many. So here I'll start outlining. So I will be starting from here. Actually, as I said, this line also we need to make it small. So it will be like this. Okay, so in case if you haven't done, you can correct it by adding the curve a little bit different like this. Okay, so it will look more beautiful. And now let's outline and then coloring again. Once the outlining is done, you can pick any of your crayons or color pencil, whatever you're comfortable, we can fill it. Okay, so just start doing from the beehive, and also alternative sections of the bees as well. We have to add yellow color. You can do that. Okay, so finally the beehive is ready, and what it's we have done. So if you got any doubt, you can WhatsApp me, and that's it, dears. Take care, keep practicing.